Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell how to reset network settings on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. To do this, you go into your iPhone settings. You go down a little bit lower and you find the item General. And in this section you find the item Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click and select Reset. And here we need to select Reset Network Settings. As soon as you click on this button, all network data will be reset. Phone numbers will remain, but the SIM card settings will be reset. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.